Well, here I am with Zoey and myself. Where is she? There you are. We're walking the Elver Trail. It's pretty cold out here and windy, but good exercise. There's Zoey. She'll go so far, and then she'll stop and wait for me. Then she'll come back. Go, Zoey, go! And of course, she's looking. Go! Whew. You're fast. You love this stuff, don't you, Zoey? Huh? What do you think, huh? What's that? What do you hear, huh? And here's myself. Feels good. Feels good to walk. Even though my back's sore, it just feels good to walk. There she goes. It's like a nice 2-mile trail. They have 3, easy, intermediate,